oh, you want to get your house organized. And you're thinking,
Yeah.
gosh, I've been watching all these home improvement shows.
Those are awesome shows. I love watching that.
And the flipping shows, too.
Mm-hmm.
And
HGTV?
Yeah. And they use stagers. Stagers come in, and they kind of look as though someone's living there. They put furniture and stuff like that in there.
Yeah,
It isn't the owner's stuff. It's just there to stage
But it
things.
makes it look livable
Yeah.
so that people who want to buy the house think, oh, yeah, I could see my stuff in here.
So some things, some ideas that stagers do that could actually work for you.
Okay.
Number one, take it one room at a time. Don't do the entire house.
Yeah, cleaning the whole house is very overwhelming.
One room at a
think
time.
if your grandparents are coming over and you're thinking, oh, I got to clean the bathroom and the kitchen and the living room and the dining room, just go one room at a time.
Use baskets.
Oh,
Baskets
yeah,
are great
that's
for
a great
storage.
idea.
Dump it in the basket. Tidy closets and drawers.
Yes. Yeah, they say that you think that people who come in aren't going to look in your drawers. You're wrong. They will, and they'll see all of your clothes stuffed in there if they do.
Pare down items by color.
My sister does this, and I've always thought it was weird, but then once it's done, you really appreciate it. It's very aesthetically pleasing. She once organized all of our DVDs by color, like reds to yellows to orange, blue, white. Yeah, she went all the way through.
She is weird.
No.
Declutter living spaces.
Okay, and this means come in with a garbage can and throw a bunch of stuff away.
Here's the problem. When you have kids and pets, you got their stuff all over the place.
I know, but the stuff that you don't use, you can throw it away.
Make the dining room for dining.
Yeah, there are too
Not
many
to
times.
store your junk.
Too many times that your dining room becomes the kind of all-purpose room for your office, homework, for maybe just watching YouTube in there, and just make it for dining. That's a very clean-looking room.
And lastly, pack up or donate extra clothes.
Yeah, kind of going along with the drawers and things like that. People will look in your closets, and if you've got a lot of clothes, they'll think, oh, cluttered.
So if you're trying to sell your house and it's not going, this may be part of the problem.
Yes.
Too much clutter. They don't see the entire home for what it's worth.
You need to fake it.
Yes. More info on the tips you should take from those home stagers and use on your own home right now. Yes FM Facebook, Twitter at 967 Yes FM, and the Mercy Morning page at yesfm.com's got some info too.